So you've spent years working towards a goal, and now you can see it within reach. The light at the end of the tunnel. You're getting close to graduating. All those classes, all those tests, all those early mornings and late nights are coming to an end. And now that you've done all of the hard work of graduating, there are a few last hoops to jump through before you can walk across the stage. But by now, you know how to follow instructions, so this should be cake. First, you need to apply to graduate online. To apply to graduate, first, go to the Odessa College homepage. Scroll down and select Wrangler Portal. It's right here. Then, to access Wrangler Portal, scroll down and click here to go to the self-service page. Once you've logged in, scroll down and select Graduation Home. Here you will be able to see your majors and apply to graduate. Then select which term you plan to graduate and verify your preferred name on your diploma. Now scroll down to the portion that says Commencement Details. Here you can let us know if you plan to attend the commencement ceremony, if you plan to pick up your diploma in person, and select your cap and gown size. After you've entered all of your information, simply save it. The application default assumes that you will both attend graduation and pick up your diploma in person. So, make sure that you change those if need be. After you've successfully applied, you will receive an email confirmation in a few weeks. This confirms that your graduation application has been evaluated. The first thing you will need to do is verify your information, especially the name and address. The address is important because if you don't plan to pick up your diploma in person, it will be mailed to you. The name is important so that you don't have a typo on your diploma. After you've applied, you're mostly done with the process. From here, the primary thing that you need to do is to keep an eye on your email account for any messages connected to your graduation. There could be issues with your application or some kind of hold on your account. All financial obligations must be met in order to receive your physical diploma and or your official transcript. Consider the possibility that you may be missing courses required to meet degree requirements. Don't worry. Our graduation advisor will line out your options in the event that you are missing credits. As we approach commencement day, emails will go out as to where, when, and how to get your cap and gown. The last thing that we want is for these important emails to be sent to your spam folder. So to avoid that, here is how you whitelist those emails. In Outlook, the first thing that you want to do is select the Settings button. It's this gear-shaped button in the top right corner. Then search for the word Safe. Your first option should be Safe Senders and Domains. This will take you to the Settings menu. Select Mail and Junk Email to take you to the Safe Senders and Domains page. Here add the address graduation@odessa.edu. All emails related to your graduation will come from this address. So you've completed all of that, and now it's graduation day. What are you supposed to do? Graduation day ceremony is not the same as getting your degree. Final course evaluations are completed in the coming weeks after the ceremony. Confirming graduation status to get your diploma could take up to 6 weeks, but you will be sent an email when they are ready. You do not have to walk the stage in order to graduate. You still get your diploma. There are 2 different commencement ceremonies each year, one in the fall and one in the spring. If you have completed your required courses in the fall or the midwinter, we encourage you to take part in the December ceremony. If you have completed your courses in the spring, Maymester, or summer, we invite you to take part in the May ceremony. The posted dates and times may be subject to change due to unforeseen circumstances like COVID restrictions. Once you've received your email to pick up your diploma, just show up to the records office with a picture ID. Now, some people may not be able to make it in person. Maybe you're out celebrating on a trip to Machu Picchu, or having just completed your degree, you're headed out to Antarctica to track penguins. Well, if you can't make it to the office, you can always send a person on your behalf that is designated to pick up your diploma. This can be done by filling out the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA form, shown here. The FERPA form can be found simply by Googling Odessa College FERPA. Congratulations! Your diploma is ready to share with the world. An email will be sent to inform you of the 2-week window for in-person pickup in the records office. Once the 2 weeks have lapsed, diplomas will be mailed to your address on file. If you need to make an address change request, please get with the records staff to update your account. If you don't want your degree being sent to your previous apartment so that you have to beg your former landlord to give it back to you, then you need to verify that the address on file is the address that you want the diploma to go to. Thank you for joining us for this Odessa College mini workshop. For information on future workshops or to request a topic for a future workshop, please contact us at lrc@odessa.edu.